in case we. All right, so yeah, we can get started with your requirements. So, okay, hold on, okay. So you have a website in Thrive Architect, right? Which is built in WordPress, correct?
Yes, I can show you if you want.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So you can do the screen sharing and let us know what you're looking for right now. Yeah, sure.
Hold on a second. So you should see my screen now, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. This is what we got so far. And as described, there are several things that needs to be fixed.
Yeah.
I mean, let's start just up here. What we definitely would need to change is this section here from the logos, because yeah, this is nice, but not really cool. I will maybe show you an example. I mean, it doesn't have to look like this, but you know, that it looks a little bit like something.
Got it.
And not just a white
Yeah, sure.
white thing in the background, and then that's yeah. Also, it's not mobile optimized, the whole page not. If I change the size of the site, then everything looks like a mess.
Okay, all right. We can do the mobile optimization as well.
So yeah, this upper section is, yeah, let's say okay. But one thing that would need to be changed is all the buttons need to have the right color. I do have a color palette, so the orange that you see now on the button is the right one, but if you go over it, then it changes. Yeah, not sure if this is the best solution. Also, the font on the button is not like the same as here, I think, and it looks a little bit too hard. This here is a lot more messed up, as you can see, because we have a problem with the picture in the background. Can you see this here? The background image?
Yeah, kind of.
Maybe I can show you the picture and then you see, because it's basically an award that I got, but we only have a mobile picture of it by now, and it's really not nicely cut it, so it's a problem in the background. And I mean, I had the idea to put it into the background to see this upper part. I don't know if it will work. You have to tell me then if this will work.
Okay, we will figure it out how to put the image on the website, all right?
Pardon me?
Okay, yeah, well, we will figure it out how we can put the image at a better position to look at good.
Yeah, maybe. Or I mean, I don't know if you can do those things or do the cutting here a little bit better.
All right, now we will edit the picture from our end.
Is this can you do those things?
Yeah, those are like simple things to do. We will do it, no problem.
Yeah, because you see, it's really a mess. It's cut here. We got only 1 picture byte of it now. It's in the post. Yeah. So this is the background image here. Yeah, I mean, you don't see too much of it. And also, what doesn't make too much sense here in this section to me is the main color. Pardon me?
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
The main color of the page is basically this greenish turquoise thing.
Okay.
And the orange is only like for buttons.
Okay, got it.
And like complementing it. I can show you in the color palette then. And then of course here we need a color so that it works. I get it. But then we have here like orange and then underline, then orange, then only underline. It's a little bit of a mess. It doesn't make too much sense to me. So we have to highlight things, yes, but in a nice way.
All right. Okay, so we can redesign this section to make it better, yeah.
Maybe it would make sense, or maybe just use another font. Maybe this is then just black only, and then we do only the icons in the color.
Yeah, we will try some variations on the design. So let's see how it
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because right now it looks like a little bit of a mess. Okay. And here this is a mess too, because this is a button. I don't really realize that this is a button. Then I have one line here and one line here, and this is too close.
Yeah, we need some spacing over there as well.
Yeah, the spacing, and that this looks like an actual quote, because right now it's just, yeah, a sentence in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. I mean, what I think that does look cool is this thing here, and then the shadow. I think this looks really nice. Also, this background color is the right one. This is good. But yeah. And this section, I mean, we don't have to make a rocket science out of this. Okay, here's a picture, here's a text, that's fine. But to make it colorful and then do also the underline makes no sense to me, because then you want to click on it and there is nothing to click on it.
Okay, so should we just remove the underline and the colors?
Pardon me?
Okay, should we remove the underlines and the colors?
I think we should remove the underline and make some kind of highlight. Maybe, I don't know if this text is bold now. Maybe make it not bold and just then do the highlights in bold, or maybe even do the highlights in this greenish color. Okay, but not green and the underline. It's too much.
Okay, all right, got it.
Then the next section, I think, is one of the best by now, because here we got these nice shadow things going on, and there is a background image, but it is barely noticeable. I think this is good. I think this is a little bit more of a modern look to have a background image, even if you don't really get what it is, but it makes it less flat. Yeah. But here something happened, because here's the button. Okay, but what is this here? Can you see this?
Or maybe some extra layers on the before.
Yeah, there's another layer that doesn't belong there. This will have to be fixed. And okay, yeah, maybe the drop shadow is a little bit too hard, but other than that, I think this section is pretty much okay. Let's say it like this.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we can, it looks good over here, but yeah, some minor changes needed on the website. We can fix that problem.
Yeah. And then also here on the button, I think it's good that the buttons have this shiny thing to it and that it looks 3D, and the drop shadow, this is nice. I think it makes a lot of sense. Also, the icons make a lot of sense. This is the wrong font, I would say. It's too hard. This looks more soft and more modern and more clean. I don't know what this is, but it doesn't really.
We will change the fonts as well.
Fit, yeah. And then the next section, I'm not sure if this is a good solution to just put here a green line. I don't know. Is this modern? I would not say it's modern. I would also maybe show you a page that I think has a nice, clean, modern look to it, if this is somehow important to you. But what I think is nice is always, as I just said, to have those slight images in the background going on. Can you see it?
Yeah.
On my screen is very light and very subtle, you know? Then also the buttons with the gradient on it to give it a 3D look, and the drop shadows to it. Also the drop shadows to the images. I think it looks good. Yeah. This is what I think is a nice, clean and modern page. Just to give you a little reference here, all the drop shadows going on, and yeah. Just so that you get an idea of what I'm talking of. Yeah, and next section, yeah, it's again the wrong, also the button size is kind of weird. And the icon is missing here. The text font is the wrong one.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we got it. There's some design mistakes on the website and some spacing, some backgrounds. Okay, we will fix that. Yeah, no problem. All the fixes needed on the website, we'll do it. So after we've done some revisions on the website, you can just have a look at it, and you can know all the feedback.
Yeah, and basically this is then the end of design. I mean, here I will have to insert the right text, but it is black. It maybe should be lighter. And under the footer, there's another section that doesn't really belong there. And one thing, let me think real quick, because I wanted to say something. What was I thinking? I told you the background images. Regarding the overall image of the page, it should be rather dark.
Okay, all right.
So that I will send you maybe another picture, but that the backgrounds are like this dark gray or even blackish is on purpose, and it's fine. And it should be only some little sprinkles of color here and there. But the overall look of the color of the site should be really dark.
Yeah, you
because
can send a color palette, so we can use it from our end to make the website much better than before.
Yeah, because the target group are personal trainers, and they tend to have really dark pages in the sports industry.
Okay, got it.
And then just hints of color every now and then.
All right.
So yeah, it needs to be cleaned up overall, I would say.
Yeah, obviously. So yeah, can you make some changes anywhere on the website if you want, or we should keep the like as it is right now?
Pardon me?
What do you mean? So I'm just saying that, so if necessary, we can you make some changes on the website? I mean, some sections there is some spacing, or we can add some I guess we can do some better works on some sections. So
some better words?
Yeah,
you
not
want to change the words?
No, words, not words. I'm saying that works or design.
Yes. Basically, I would just duplicate the whole page, and then you can work on the new one and do what you think is a good idea. And I guess we will then talk again, right?
Yeah, sure.
So let me just check real quick my list so that I won't forget anything. Yeah, what would you need from me?
Okay, so all we need the WordPress login details. So you can send us the WordPress login details so we can get started with your work right now. Yeah. And
then I will also give you access to a Drive folder where you can find the pictures if you need them.
Yeah.
If there's anything where you think this doesn't make sense or you would like to change it. And I will also maybe send you the one example page, or don't you need it?
Okay, yeah. So the best thing is send us all the reference website, always the Drive share links, and also the login credentials for the website. That's it. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, then mobile optimization is of course.
Yeah, we will also going to do the mobile optimization as well.
And yeah, and I said the section that definitely needs complete redoing is this here.
Sure.
Because this is MS. So I can send you all these things right now. What do you think when we can talk again when you have like an update for me?
Like tomorrow?
You will have the first update.
Sorry.
Did I get this right? Or I was asking do you think we can talk when you will have the first update, when you did some changes?
Okay, so if you want some changes,
or how do you process?
Okay, so I'm just saying that we can do a whole landing, like duplicate the whole thing, then making some changes on the website on the landing, I guess. Then we can show you tomorrow, so we can just have a look. And if you need any feedback, you can just let us know tomorrow.
So it's okay for you if we have some revisions and maybe some
obviously
implementing.
We can have as many revisions you want, no problem.
Okay. Okay, so you think we should be able to finish the project in this week, right?
Yeah, obviously, for sure.
Because we have Monday. Yeah. Okay.
Like within I guess by tomorrow it will be all done. Then you can do some revisions and other things, so we can just get things going on. So after that, I would like within 1 or 2 days, the whole work will be, I guess, done. Yeah.
But you will do the whole thing on Thrive Architect,
yeah, obviously,
right?
Yeah, you're
yes,
gonna do
because,
it Thrive.
Yes, because if I have to do future changes, like change some text or something, I have to like know what to do. Not that you just build the whole new site and then I cannot do any changes by myself.
Okay. All right. So yeah, we will make everything on Thrive as well. No problem.
Yeah. Okay. So then I will give you access to everything, and I will stop here my screen sharing.
Yeah. So yeah, can you just go to the Upwork and hire us right now?
Yes.
All right.
Hold on a second. I never work with Upwork, so
Okay. So
I
okay.
am.
So you can just go to inbox on Upwork. Messages.
I have to load this page. Hire freelancer. I can see it.
Yeah, right. Hire
now.
freelancer.
Okay, I will have to read this, but I will write it. We'll do it right now. And then, where do I send you what we just talked about?
Okay, you can send everything on the messages.
Everything on the messages. Okay.
You can say
Okay.
share the login credentials, drive links, and reference websites as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, on the messages on Upwork, no problem.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then I will do this, and then right after our conversation. So if you need anything from me, other than that, you can just write me there, and I will
Yeah,
get
sure.
email
We'll let you know
notifications.
on Upwork if we need anything else from your end. All right.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, sounds great.
Well then.
So yeah.
Okay.
So okay. So have you just hired us right now?
No, I have to read this. And send policies, submit. What? Due date. Well, then I would say due date Friday the 18th, right?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, and it's no problem to send you these informations afterwards, right? Is it okay for you if we make a deposit of 50%?
Okay, so you can do it in like one time, or you can do it like in milestones as well. So yeah, it's up to you, no problem.
So what would be a good first milestone then?
Yeah, obviously you can go for the milestone as well. Yeah, so you can deposit the 50% right now, and after the work completion, you can deposit the rest 50%.
Mhm. I'm just thinking what the first milestone could be. That makes sense.
For now, you can keep anything, no problem.
On me?
Yeah, for now, you can just keep it anything, no problem from our end, right?
I'm just thinking about the first milestone because it is asking me for milestone, so I have to write something in there.
Yeah, you can just put something like landing page design or something, or back fixing. So that's not a problem.
Okay, I put in there Wednesday for this.
Okay.
Or is it for let's see first. The page is loading really slow here. That's why it takes so long.
Okay, no problem. Sometimes Upwork takes some time.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Continue. I have to fill in everything here, so it takes a bit if you want to wait.
Okay, Martha, are you done?
Yes, I just clicked hire.
All right.
And it's loading. So my bank is asking me.
Yeah, I have just received your contract right now. Okay, hold on, let me accept that. It's good to see. Okay, so yeah, we have received the offer, so we have accepted that. So right now, yeah, we can get started right away. So we can all you need to just put the login credentials for the website, and and the images and the reference website. That's it.
Okay.
And also the color palette. Okay.
Yes, it's in the Drive folder.
Oh, okay, all right. So yeah, so when we have all the credentials and the reference website and the images, we'll get started with the website. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Great.
will send you everything, and if you have any questions, then just let me know.
Yeah, sure. So
Okay.
yeah. So it's been a pleasure talking to you. Yeah. Have a good day.
Okay.